Welcome to Review Source. Whether you're searing a high-end steak, flipping delicate eggs, or simmering a complex sauce, performance isn't optional. Today, we're covering the best pans for cooking, chosen for their reliability, heat distribution, durability, and real-world performance in the kitchen. We've looked at everything from traditional cast iron to high-tech titanium to see which ones actually deserve a spot on your stovetop. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. We're starting with a heavy hitter, the Creuset Enameled Handle Skillet. This thing is a beast built from enameled cast iron. It's designed for cooks who want the performance of traditional cast iron without the headache of seasoning it every time. The black satin enamel interior handles high heat like a pro, making it perfect for searing steaks or browning veggies. It's induction-ready and oven-safe up to 500 degrees, so you can move from the stovetop to the broiler without a second thought. It's also technically dishwasher-safe, though hand-washing is better if you want to keep that vibrant finish looking sharp. It's relatively lightweight for cast iron, but it still has enough heft to hold heat for a long time. Customers find this skillet excellent for searing and frying, especially when it comes to getting that perfect crust on chicken. It's a premium investment, and while some say it's worth every cent, others think you're paying a bit for the brand name. The surface isn't a traditional non-stick, so some users report food adhering if the pan isn't preheated correctly. It's a solid, high-end pick that looks elegant on the counter.
Next up is the Field Company Cast Iron Skillet. This is cast iron for people who hate how heavy and rough modern pans usually feel. It weighs only 4.3 pounds, making it way easier to move around than your standard budget iron. The cooking surface is machine polished to be silky smooth, mimicking those vintage pans your grandma used to own. It comes pre-seasoned with organic grapeseed oil, so it's ready to go right out of the box. It's compatible with everything from induction glass tops to open campfires. This pan is American-made and uses a sustainable production process, which is a nice bonus if you care about where your gear comes from. Experts highlight how much better it is for glass stovetops because it's actually flat and doesn't rock like cheaper brands. Users love the weight, but mention the factory seasoning might need a few extra rounds to become truly non-stick. It's a premium tool that gets better every time you use it. If you want the longevity of iron without the wrist strain, this is the one to get. It's simple, refined, and built to last generations.
If you're over the whole cast iron maintenance thing, the Circulon A1 Nonstick Cookware is for you. This pan is all about convenience and efficiency. It features a thick steel base that prevents warping and ensures fast, even heat distribution across the entire surface. The nonstick coating is applied to both the inside and the outside, so cleaning the bottom of the pan is just as easy as cleaning the cooking area. It's induction compatible and safe for the dishwasher, which is a massive win for busy kitchens. The set also includes tempered glass lids with built-in strainers and pour spouts to save you from dirtying extra dishes during prep. Users are genuinely impressed with how long the nonstick lasts compared to previous generations. It's perfect for everyday tasks like cooking eggs or making quick stir-fries. Some people have mentioned the quality feels a bit different depending on the specific set, but overall, it's a durable workhorse. It's a budget-friendly to mid-range option that performs like a much more expensive set. It's a solid pick for anyone who wants reliable performance without any drama.
The Merten Storck Frying Pan brings carbon steel to the masses. Think of this as the middle ground between a non-stick pan and a cast iron skillet. It's made of carbon steel, which means it heats up and cools down way faster than cast iron. It's incredibly lightweight, so you can actually toss your food like a pro without breaking a sweat. It comes pre-seasoned and handles high-heat searing, frying, and even open flames with ease. It's a no-frills, budget-friendly tool that's built for performance rather than looking pretty on a shelf. It delivers results comparable to expensive boutique brands at a much more accessible level. Feedback is a bit split here. Many love that it's a grown-up pan that lasts forever if you treat it right. Others warn that it can rust quickly if you leave it wet or cook too many acidic foods like tomatoes. It's also prone to slight warping on electric tops if you crank the heat too fast without a gradual warm-up. But for the price, it's an incredible value. It's the best pick for anyone who wants a professional-grade searing pan on a budget.
Finally, we have the Hestan Titanium Cookware Set. This is high-end tech for your kitchen. It uses nanobond technology, which means layers of molecular titanium are bonded to a stainless steel surface. The result is a pan that's nearly impossible to scratch, stain, or corrode. Inside, it's got a Pro-Core aluminum core that conducts heat significantly faster than standard stainless steel. It's non-reactive, so your food won't pick up any metallic tastes. It's even safe for metal utensils and can be scrubbed with a metal sponge without ruining the finish. The flush rivets make it incredibly easy to clean, since there's nowhere for food to hide. This is a premium investment for serious home cooks who want the best. Users rave about the gunmetal look and how fast it transfers heat. While it's not a traditional nonstick pan, if you use the mercury method to check your heat, food slides right off. Some customers have noted small scratches upon delivery, so check your set carefully. It's expensive, but it's basically indestructible and looks like a piece of art. This is the top choice if you want the absolute best materials available. And that wraps up the top 5 best pans for cooking. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest kitchen picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.